Okay, guys, this is going to be our class for today. We're going to perform a workshop about simple harmonic motion and waves. I know I told you that this topic for today was going to be sound, but I prefer not. I think it's better to see if the topics are okay, if your knowledge are it's where it's supposed to be. So we are going to perform these exercises. As you can see, they are a lot. They are not five as you may know me, but that is this have a reason, and that is because the A and B are the only exercises from C to H. They are only questions, simple questions. So you are going to be able to solve this, obviously. So thank you very much for your attention. You're being so kind. And remember this activity, it has to upload it into your classroom of physics. So that's all. So good luck, because I'm not going to help you. Okay, no.
Okay, thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
No, mentira, bye.
All of this is in the video. Can you believe it?